Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, I got big news for you today. We broke 10 subscribers. We're actually at 11. So that's big news, and I'm so excited about that. So, as breaking the big 10, let me show you this PETA safe animal mount that I made. It might actually not be PETA safe. I don't know. Don't really care. But, the seat might be made of leather. I don't know. It felt like rubber. It felt like something. Watch the video. I don't know. Alright, folks. See you in a few. Hey, YouTube. What's up? So, today, I'm off work a little early. The sun's shining. And I've got a bunch of cut-up bicycles laying around. And I thought I would make some animal mounts out of old bicycle parts. Now, I know some of you guys might think this is kind of strange, but I remember sometime, I don't know, it's been like 10 or 12 years ago, I saw an artist that was making like animal mounts out of bicycle parts, and I thought, well, I'm going to give it a try, because I got an excess of bicycle parts. So I'll lay it out, I'll show you what I'm going to do, and I'll see you in a minute. What? I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's kind of like my little bull mount. It's got like the horns for the horns. What? It's got the handlebar for the horns, and it's got the saddle for the face and whatnot. I might end up putting a ring for the nose. I don't know. I'm just kind of doing things right now, so we'll see how this turns. We'll see how this turns out. What? So it just so happens that I put a hole in the middle of this years ago. This piece of wood that I found. And I think I'm just going to take my Dremel and widen it a little bit, and that's how we're going to mount our bicycle seat. So stick with me. What? Yeah, I thought I'd use this to, I don't know, make the hole bigger. We'll see. I might switch the sandpaper. I don't know yet. So. What? What? I made the hole just wide enough to put a piece of PVC pipe. Actually, I don't think it's PVC pipe. I think it's electrical conduit or something, I don't know. It's just scrap I had laying under the porch. What? Okay, next I'm going to drill me a hole in this piece of pipe, the conduit. What? What? So, I'm going to stick this piece of PVC through here, kind of like the original seat post. I wish I had a longer screw, but I don't, so I ain't going to worry about it. What? Okay, so you guys kind of see what's going on there. I didn't have a screw long enough to go through both. I wish I did, but I don't know. Maybe I'll dig around and find something else. But, I mean, here's the thing. The post is off center, so is the hole. I mean, that's what happens when you work with recycled things. It doesn't matter. It's just a fun piece to make. So, what? You guys can see we got this little piece hanging over now. I'll tell you what I'm going to do to that. I'm going to take my handy-dandy little saw here and even her right up. Actually, I may take it out first. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, that's what I'll do. No sense in cutting corners. Except for corners that need to be cut. Let's see. Give it a little more. There we go. What? Okay, you can see our seats on our board now. Now we gotta put the horns on. What? I figured I'd let the handlebars lay just against the saddle, just like that. So you can't really see the mounting stuff or anything like that if it's hanging up high. What? I'm gonna find my big old marker somewhere here. I don't know where it's at. Oh, here it is. That's where it is. I lost a thing of screws. So I figured I'd drill through here. And drill through here. What? What? You guys can see that the screws went in okay. We've got plenty left over that hang them to the wood, so that's what we'll do next. What? So, since the screws are hanging out of the bottom, I'm just going to place that where I think it looks right. And I'm going to press hard. And that'll give us a place to drill our pre-holes. What? I backed out both the screws where they're just barely started. And now I'm going to screw them into the board with my handy-dandy drill. What? Okay, so now we're going to take our drill, make sure it's on forward and not reverse, and screw these on. There we go. And there we go.
What?
So, I found this hardware that I think that I'm going to make a bull ring out of. Maybe I can hang keys on it or something. I don't know. So we'll see what happens with that.
What?
I'm not entirely sure this is necessary, but I'm going to take my drill and I'm going to put a little pre-hole right here so I can hang it under his nose. I'm not sure what that's made of. I guess it's some sort of rubber. And then I'm going to take my little bracket thing here and run that through there. Let's see. I guess I can't fit that up under there. I thought maybe I could, but
What?
I'm going to try to run this screw up under there with my hand, and he should have a bull ring.
What?
Okay, we've got our bull ring attached, so let me put all this together and show you the finished product.
What?
Well, you kind of get a look at him there. So leave it in the comments. What do you think about the bull mount? I think it's cool. I mean, it's out of recycled products and crap I found laying around my shed, so I'm happy with it.
What?
Well, here's the new home for my bull. Hope you guys enjoy it.
What?
Alright, hey YouTube, so I'm back. So, what did you guys think about the PETA Safe animal mount that I made there? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, I mean, hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, do whatever you need to do. Alright YouTube, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey, what's up? Burton here, and if you like this video, check out one of these other videos. Or subscribe, like, comment. Tell me what you liked about it. Ring that bell. Or hit me up on Twitter, @Bretonnian. Alright folks, you guys have fun. Bye.